Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to meet Lindy again. Hi, Lindy.
Hi, Rob.
I've interviewed Lindy before and we've seen her van. So go right up here and click on that after we're done, and you can go and watch her full interview and tour there. You've made some changes since then.
Yes, I have.
And what are the changes you've made?
I've added air conditioning and a different way, and I've opened up the whole van. So my bed is now in the back.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, do you mind if we take a look and see what you've done?
No problem.
All right, let's take a look.
This is the hole that I put in for my air conditioner, and this is where the vent comes out.
Okay.
Then when I want to run my air conditioner, I have this tied so nobody can pull it off. Comes right out. I run it off a 2000 Bluetti and an 800-watt gas generator. I get the gas generator out. I feed the Bluetti, which is 450. I have 400 watts on the roof.
Oh, wow.
That's another 300. I get close to 800 watts, and this air conditioner takes 828. So I roughly use 28 to 50 watts every hour, and it stays at almost 100%. The Bluetti I got as a present, but so I don't know how much that was. This was $169, the 800-watt gas generator. It runs everything. And this is a Sportsman.
Oh, look at that.
It weighs 22 pounds.
Wow, yeah.
Okay, it lasts 6.5 hours. It takes half a gallon of gas, and I keep 2.5 gallons, so it gives me 30 hours. It's very easy. You just turn this on. You turn this on. Here's your choke. Comes up here. You pump in gas, which it has none, and you turn the on button. That's it. You pull it, third try, every time, third try.
Wow,
it's great. Very, very easy to use. These are all your alert buttons. Then you've got your DC current breaker. You got your DC 12-volt AA.
So you've been very, very happy with it.
Oh, I love it. I can't, because everything is so heavy, Bob.
Yes.
And every year I can't lift more and more stuff. And this it was the only reason I bought it, and I thought, I pray that it works. It is a gem. I can't say enough good things about this generator.
Right.
You know, yes, you do have to maintain it. Yes, you do have to put oil in it. And yes, you have to put gas, and it only lasts 6.5 hours. But it's so convenient for an older person. It's so easy to handle. You see me, I just lift it right up.
You bet. And it starts up easy?
Oh, very. The third time, I'm telling. I can't now, but I should have filled it up so I could show you. It's so, and then of course it wouldn't do it.
Yeah,
right?
of course. And if
you know, the first time, I've never had a problem starting it.
Yeah.
And it's always been the third pull.
So did you say you thought this was about your best purchase?
I think so. Even the solar, I have never had, because my solar is so heavy. You know, I struggle to lift it now. When I first bought it, I didn't have a problem. But every year, I can't lift. I can lift less and less. And everything becomes a struggle.
Right.
And this is only 22 pounds. And my smallest solar is 38 pounds.
Right, yep. Solar
it makes a difference.
Yeah.
Well, my big one is between 60 and 70 pounds.
Right.
I can't even budget anymore. I used to carry it around. Can't do it. Can't do it.
Right.
No. So, yeah, this is, of all the things I bought, well, the air conditioner's second behind it. This is the best thing I've ever bought.
Right.
And this is my 4th summer.
Right.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
And they can order it online. Or they can go to Tractor Supply and they'll order it. So we're going to run that air conditioner. I can run it up to 2.5 hours just on the Bluetti by itself.
Right.
And I can charge the Bluetti back up.
Right.
You know. But I usually am charging the Bluetti and running the air conditioner at the same time. So it always is at 100%.
Right, right,
so,
right.
Now this is the bed setup. It's only a foam cushion. But underneath are 2 hassocks.
Oh, yeah.
And those hassocks are full of food.
Uh-huh.
Which I've never seen anybody do.
Yeah, no.
These are $60 a piece. This was 70. So for 150, I got a bed with storage, tons of storage. These go the full length, 2 of them. And then this, a lot of this is new. Like this was thrift store. It was $12. It's from the 70s, solid wood.
Yeah.
So I keep my stove and pots and pans in here. I cook. But this was just the wheel cover that I built.
Right.
And what I did, I had a box, a wooden box that people put things in it with a lock. I took it all apart. I turned the box on its side and the lid upside down. And this is the lid. I screwed everything on to the wheel well cover, which is attached to the metal frame. It'll never go anywhere.
Right, right.
And that was $6. Solid wood.
Cheap.
Cheap. So that's what I've done. I took out the big cabinet. But as you can see, I have so much storage. So much. And so much food. I have food everywhere.
Right, right. This is much better than what we was here last
Yeah.
time. It was
I
crowded.
thought you would enjoy this better.
Much.
The other one was really cramped and crowded. But I need to do yoga. And I need Marley to have... This is Marley's run. He's up and down on the bed.
Your dog.
Yes. And if everything's closed up, do you know how cool it is in here?
Are
you comfortable?
I'd be cold if I stayed here long.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So I paid, I always buy things after season.
Right.
So I got this for $150. After
Nice.
season, it's almost $400. The hole, I'm scared to death of holes.
Sure.
And I don't have a ceiling. We were going to do it before this video. And I had a full night of rain and the wires leaked. So we're getting Henry's. I knew you had said Henry's.
Yes.
But I haven't had anybody to help me. So we're going to take all of this out. We're going to shorten some of the wires and we're going to put Henry's in there. But I couldn't do the ceiling until I get that leak fixed. There's no way. Or the sides. I just said, no, let's not do it. You know, once that's done, then it'll be nice looking. I spent $65 on this claw. It makes a complete beautiful circle. And I said, save the piece inside because if anybody buys this van, they can solder that piece back and have a 100% van. And they did it. I went to a body shop and they're nice. You guys, before you do something to your van, you should go to a body shop. This is where they wanted the hole. They said structurally, this was the best. Okay. Not the floor. I wanted the floor. No, ma'am. Too structurally, you don't want to do that. Now, everybody's got a different opinion. I'm telling you what the mechanics and the body person told me. So they chose the hole. I did not have a strong enough drill to use that metal thing to put the hole in. You have to have he got the strongest drill in the shop to use it to get through that metal. So you really have to, I would have somebody do it for me if they decided to do it. But this is a Midea air conditioner, 828 watts. But I don't have but 400 on the roof. That, and you were the one that told me gas generator. We talked about this before. So I decided I wanted an 800 watt. It would run everything I have. So I can run the air conditioner just from the gas generator if I want to, or do as I told you, feed this, and this takes care of that. And as you can see, it has no problem running it.
Yeah, this is the best solution. Little generator, big Bluetti, and 300-400 watts on the roof, and
I'm really set.
Yeah.
And I didn't spend a lot of money doing it. You know, everything I bought, I waited till after season to buy it. And I planned ahead. But that's really what I've done. It's been major. It's like redoing the whole thing.
Just the remodel in here is really, really good.
It's much roomier.
Yeah.
Yeah. After I saw you and then RTR, and I want a pretty van. It's never going to happen. I don't think.
No.
You know what I mean?
Either.
Because I'm very versatile. I just want usable things.
Right.
And versatile.
Too practical.
I'm too practical to have pretty.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Very good. I love it. It's
good.
Really, really good.
Good. Thank you.
Very, very, very good.
Yeah. And I'm 77 this year. So if I can do it, you know, anybody should be able to do it.
Yeah, I think you're right.
And it's under $200. It's $169 plus tax. You can order it off of Amazon.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, you can order any of this off of Amazon. It has it.
Right.
You just got to find the right product. Yep.
Very, very nice.
Good.
Well, hope you got something out of this video. If you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll talk to you on next video. See you then.